Here is a Oliver number 9 standard typewriter from 1912, which is now 100 years old, although it doesn't work currently at the moment. But I cleaned it up. It's in really nice shape, and I will show you, just show you around. As you can see, the paint is in really nice condition, all shiny and good. The A key is missing at the front, at the let's say the platen is practically dead. There's not much life left in it. It's the original one. The hammers need to be adjusted, and the carriage belt is missing. That one needs to be replaced. I ripped off while I was cleaning it. But besides that, it's in really nice condition. Like I said, it doesn't work now. I have it now for 1.5 years, and in that 1.5 years, it has typed one sentence, I'm afraid, because right then the platen shattered. But I will show you around anyway. Like I said, it's a really nice shape. Here's are the decals. It says manufactured by Oliver Typewriter Corporation. There's a bit of a smudge. Chicago, USA. Keep machine clean and oiled. NO number 9. And here it says the number 9 Oliver Standard Visible Typewriter. And here you have the print type Oliver machine typewriter, patented November 5th, 1912. Which is the date, and it has really nice handsome decal, as you can see, trademark, and that little funny print type guy. It still has both the spool covers, backspace works, spacebar works, although it doesn't work without the carriage belt. The spool system, turn system works both directions, and sets free, moves free. The carriage release works perfectly. Tab works, not without the carriage belt. Right works to take the carriage off. Caps works, and figure works. Yeah, when you push this, the roller advances when you have it in action, so you go to the next line. The paint is in pretty good condition. It has some chips like here and down here, but still, it's in pretty nice shape. The keys are also in really nice shape. The metal parts, great shape. These are a bit worn. At some point, I think this machine has been dropped, but I don't know, because there's a dent here, as you can see, and there's a dent in the back over here. So it might have been dropped at some point. I don't know. It hasn't affected the machine at all. Besides that, yeah, it has actually. The keys get stuck while when they get used, so that might be something. It's about in this condition, about say about a $200 machine. I'm gonna get it fixed about well, I would say when I put it on eBay I could ask $600 for it. I'm not sure when it's fixed. And yeah, I've decided when I want to sell my machines, it's gonna be in an auction, and it's about I don't know when, like in a couple, like many years from now. Because then there will be worth something. If you let me just put you down for a second, I take the carriage off. There we go. Here's the carriage. As you can see, the machine hasn't been touched in many years. That's why you can see those little circles which are here, which is pretty funny. It has been sitting on someone's desk when I bought it for $90. Let me put this away. Like I said, I cleaned it up real nice. It's in real nice shape. Really clean. It was really dirty when I found it. There is still some places where you can see that. Like this, it was the same color as the key, as the hammers, and I thought that was the color of the metal until I scraped it off with some WD-40. As you can see, still some wear and dirt, but I can't get it off. You can see the serial number now. Yeah, it's just great shape. The paint's peeling off here at the end. But like that, I just cleaned it up real nice. The bell has some wear, but it still functions when I hit here. So, the gearbox also still works, functions well. Still has the cover, it's missing one screw, as you can see. Here's the spring, still works really fine. Yeah, it's you can see really shiny machine. Yeah, really good shape. Although it doesn't work at the moment, but I think that this machine can be fixed really easily, and that I will put some money in fixing it too. Get back in working shape, and that it will be worth something. Just push it in. There we go. So yeah. Anyway, I think that's about it. If you wish to have any questions or comments, please let me know, and I will answer them to the best of my ability. Have a good one. Bye.